Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make DIY smoke flares. Now what I have here is the batteries connected together from a cordless drill. I opened up the battery pack of the drill, and if you take these, they're simple batteries connected, but all you have to do is remove the casing from the battery, take a piece of cardboard, cut it square, and glue it to the bottom. Then you will need to mix 60% Spectracide stump remover with 40% granular table sugar. Pour that, once it's thoroughly mixed, pour that into the container. Take a fuse, insert it, and light your smoke flare. It's a very simple, very easy project. Doesn't take long to make, doesn't take long to burn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.